इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 18th ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज फॉर 5.2 दैट इज फ्रॉम एपी अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज द सम ऑफ 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24. Means what? The 4th term we can denote by A4 and 8th term we can denote it by A8. Okay, and the sum of these two terms, 4th and 8th term, it is given 24. And the second condition is the sum of 6th and 10th term, it is given 44. What we have to do? We have to find first three terms of AP. Okay, of the given AP we have to find first three terms. कैसे करेंगे? As we know that the formula for AN, that is A plus N minus 1 into D, where A is the first term, N is the sequence of that term, okay, and D is the common difference. So here in this question A4 we can write it as A plus 4 minus 1 and value is 4 into D. We have to find out A and D. A and D are unknown here. This means it will become beta A plus 3D. Means A4 we can write as A plus 3D. Same way A8 we can write as A plus 7D. A6 it can be written as A plus 5D. And A10 it can be written as A plus 9D. You can find these values by substituting the value in this general formula. Okay. Now, according to the first condition, it is A4 plus A8 is equals to 24. Put the value of A4, that is A plus 3D, plus A8 is A plus 7D, equal to 24. Now, when you will solve this equation, it will become 2A plus 10D is equals to 24. 2 can be taken as common, that is A plus 5D, 24. Now A plus 5D will be 24 upon 2, that is 12. This is the first equation. A plus 5D is equals to 12. This is my equation number 1. Similarly, we can find the next equation also. That will be A6 plus A10 is given 44. So we can put the value here. A6 we can say A plus 5D and A10 is A plus 9D equals to 44. So it will become 2A plus 14D is equals to 44. 2 as common. Then we can say it will be A plus 7D is equals to 44. So it will be A plus 7D is equals to 44 upon 2, that is 22. So the second equation will be A plus 7D is equals to 22. Now solve these equations with the help of linear equations concept and find the values of A and D. Okay. Now see, I'm going to solve these two equations. The first equation is A plus 5D is equals to 12, this one. And the second equation is A plus 7D is equals to 22. So I can use elimination method as the coefficient of A is equal. So to cross these values, I have to subtract. So the sign will get changed. Plus A minus A will get cancelled. 5D minus 7D. So plus minus minus. So it will become minus 2D. 7 minus 5, 2. But the larger value is 7 and it contains minus sign. So it will be minus 2D. Same way here also, plus minus minus. So it will become minus 10. Minus will be cancelled out. Then D will be 10 upon 2. That is 5. Okay. Now, we can substitute the value of D in any of the equation. So I am considering the first equation here. That is A plus 5D is equals to 12. Substituting the value of D, that is 5 is equals to 12. So A plus 25 is equals to 12. Then A will be 12 minus 25, that is minus 13. So we have got first term is minus 13. Now the question is you have to find out first three terms. So the first term a1 is equals to a, that is 13. a2 will be a plus d, that is minus 13. Sorry, this will be minus 13 plus 5, that will be minus 8. And a3 will be a plus 2d, that is minus 13 plus 2 into 5, that is 10. So minus 3. So the terms are minus 13, minus 8, minus 3. This is your answer.